I'm glad this is the first time I'm seeing him.
I tell you what, I think you're going to be impressed, Joe. I really do. I know you may lean a little bit to the ECPW, but you've got to watch this kid. This kid is fantastic.
Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing him. Oh, hey, is that your nephew?
That's not it. I don't know what's come over him lately.
What are him and Ken Reedy talking about?
I don't know what's come over him lately, but he's really disappointing me. I tell you the truth, Joey.
Donnie, I tell you, the Savoldi family is a classy family.
I don't know what's wrong with you, brother.
Savoldi was raised better than this. Why is such the attitude?
Oh my goodness! I figured I'd put a little Joey G into my step tonight, Add a little flavor. You know what, guys? You're about to see greatness here. I hope you're ready for this, Joey.
I was just asking your Uncle Tommy, assuming you're still friendly with your uncle.
Oh, yes.
James, but to tell me a little bit about Kai Katana, maybe you can.
Well, Kai Katana, he's an import from Japan. He's a high flyer, action-packed. I gotta say, you know what? I do dig a lot of your ECPW guys. This is gonna be a great match with Matt Macintosh, Joe.
Well, Kai Katana does have an impressive physique.
I tell you what, Joey, you're gonna be impressed. You are definitely gonna be impressed. He's one of the on-fire superstars, and he's gonna prove it tonight.
Introducing his opponent, Matt Macintosh!
But I gotta admit, this next guy coming out, Matt Macintosh, I've seen him work, and he is fantastic.
Tremendous wrestler.
Fantastic.
Tremendous wrestler.
This is gonna be a firecracker match, Joey.
And Matt Macintosh, a big fan favorite here at the Oak Lodge in Paramus, New Jersey. And Mario, you've seen Matt Macintosh in the past, and you said it. This will be a great match.
This is definitely a pay-per-view type event here tonight, Joey G. Matt Macintosh, Kai Katana. Not only is it for a battle of companies, but it's also who's the best junior heavyweight.
Well, and again, you and Ken Reedy were out when I was trying to interview Gino Caruso. Did this challenge, and for wrestling fans who just tuned in, want to know what the challenge is.
Well, tonight the challenge is very simple. We have two matches. We got Kai Katana and Matt Macintosh, which we're watching now. And next week we'll have Ricky Reyes taking on Crazy Ivan. If we go undefeated, hold on. Can you let me finish? Time out. If we go undefeated in both matches, we get a shot at the ECPW title next month right here in Paramus.
Well, that title is held by Jumbo Joe Guns. And
Here we go, Billy. Let's get into this match. Look at these guys. Oh, Macintosh got him. Oh, look at that move. Look at the reversal by Kai Katana. That reversal of what?
Well, and,
Here we go again.
With another reversal by Matt Macintosh.
Looks like we're not only going to see some great high flying, looks like we're going to see some real wrestling tonight too, guys.
Oh, yeah, and the emphasis on wrestling.
You got two evenly matched wrestlers in that ring right now. Believe me when I tell you. And they're both talented, both of them.
Look at that move by Macintosh.
Look at that move by Macintosh.
Come on, man.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh! Down he goes. Got him in a headlock.
Harry, I gotta admit, that was impressive.
Both men very impressive. You know, maybe we could get through to Matt Macintosh and have him come over to the right side of things as well. Oh boy, oh boy.
Right side is ECPW on fire.
No. Joey G, over he goes. That's where you have it wrong, Joey G. It's ECPW / Wrestling on Fire. There's been no merger yet.
Well, let's get back to the match.
Yeah, let's get to this match. Look at the scissors, Kai Katana taking the air out of Matt Macintosh right there. Oh boy, you see that bridge? Look at this. Oh, right into the corner. Look at that turnbuckle. Oh, shoulder in the gut. Vicious shoulders by Kai Katana to the midsection of Matt Macintosh. Oh, what a chop. What a chop.
Nice knife-edge chop.
Chops are on the menu at Wrestling on Fire. Watch the ring goes Macintosh. Up and over he goes.
Look at that move.
kick to the
by
face.
Macintosh.
Leg
There
sweep.
goes Kai. One. No, no, no. Oh,
Right, a knee to the chin and the
holy jiminy.
Joey G, I think you should check your mouth after that one.
oh my God.
Across the ring goes Macintosh. Up and over he goes. Kai catches it.
Oh,
Down.
face
Face first on the mat.
That's the boy, Kai.
Kai's not.
Oh boy, oh boy.
It's not called breaking the rules, it's called bending them unless you get caught, Joey G.
That is great.
Oh, up and over. Big back slam.
Vicious backdrop
Oh,
on
he
the head
goes.
of
Over the
Macintosh.
pin. One, two. No, no, no.
Kai looks a little annoyed that he didn't get that pinfall there.
Gotta be honest, it shows the guts of Matt Macintosh there. But I think Kai Katana's got this in the back here, Joey G.
I don't know. Matt Macintosh shows his resiliency over the last year. He's a candidate for Rookie of the Year, which the voting is going to be coming out soon.
Are we allowed to put another Rookie of the Year candidate in there, Joey G?
Absolutely.
I think Kai Katana would be a great candidate.
Well, that's a fan.
And they're wrestling for it right now.
Well, the fans are voting for him.
Oh!
He's here at ECPW.
Oh, Macintosh working on the ribs. Another shot. Oh, Kai comes back with a knee in the midsection. Over goes Macintosh. Off the rope comes Kai. Down with a right in the midsection. Oh, no,
Look at
no,
the finesse
no.
on that elbow, though, Joey.
I thought you almost had one in the bad head, and Mario.
Tommy,
What a match.
Tommy, see the light, Tommy. Me, you, Ken Reedy, we have the world at our hands, Tommy.
Your uncle has a little too much class for that.
I tell you what, Joey, I got a surprise for you, though.
You do?
Yeah, now I'll let you know in a little bit.
Okay. Did you know it was my birthday? Is it a birthday surprise?
No, it's not a birthday surprise. We're not that intimate.
This is actually your birthday gift from Wrestling on Fire. You get to watch Kai Katana
look at Kai,
pummel
boy.
Matt Macintosh, Joey G.
Look at
Right.
Kai.
And we wrapped it in a bow for you. Look at that.
Right now he's juring with the referee, and that's no way to win.
I tell you what, Japan puts out some of the finest wrestlers in the nation. Oh, big forearm to the chest, off the rope comes Macintosh. He misses over the top. He's out. No, he's not out.
Ooh, vicious blows. Look at them working on the side of the apron.
Off to the top.
Here comes
he's on the
the
top
flying.
floor. He's coming off the
Oh,
top
okay.
floor. Oh, my God.
Oh!
Nice move by Matt Macintosh. It might be.
Oh!
I thought it was over, Mario.
So did I.
Kai Katana was not giving up that easily.
I thought your challenge was done right now.
Oh,
Heart of a lion, that Kai Katana.
What's he doing now? What's he setting him up for?
no.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful chokehold out there. Did you see that? That took skill, talent.
Well, it was a good move by Kai Katana, but he did have to break it up.
Yeah, I know.
Here he goes next up. I think he's ending this right here. Oh! Vicious chop.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Oh! I think he was a little slow on that count there, guys.
Referee Scott Volk is one of the best here at ECPW on Fire, and he called it fair and square.
I
Right
think
now,
he's an ECPW official there, Joey G.
Next, you're going to be bringing in your own officials?
Hey, if we have to. I wouldn't have to bring one in if Tommy just came over and joined the right side there, Joey G. Then I'd have a referee on demand.
The one you're talking about's got too much mileage.
Classic cars still have value, Tommy.
Made a good point, Tommy. We are still valuable, aren't we?
Look at this. Look at Matt. He's not giving up, man. I'll tell you what a match. I've never seen two guys so evenly matched. Look at this. Working on the ribs. Working on the ribs. Oh, Kai catches him off the side of his head. Down he goes. Down he goes. Oh, Matt comes back.
Look at these
Oh, my
rights.
goodness. Oh, head comes Kai. Comes right back. Big shoulder to the midsection. Oh, shot to the side of the head. Look at this. This is a slugfest.
They're
It's not a
exchanging them
wrestling match.
left and right here.
Is this a boxing contest?
I tell you what, there's no love in that ring right now.
Uh-oh, Katana
Here we
comes
go.
to the end.
Oh, just with that clothesline, just with a second clothesline. Oh,
How do you like that move?
That has to be illegal, Joey G. That has to be illegal.
He is
That was not a legal move. He should be disqualified.
Macintosh is just Unbelievable. That's the only way to describe it.
He's a unbelievably good cheat there, Joey G.
Down goes Kai again. Oh, make a big drop kick. Big one. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Down goes the referee. Oh, my goodness.
This one's over.
Oh, the referee is out. The referee is out. The referee is out.
Come on,
The referee is out. Get the
Brock is
referee.
out. There is no referee.
The referee.
Oh, who's this masked man?
Oh, my goodness, my goodness.
What do you have?
What is going on here?
Hammer?
Oh, my good. No, no, no. I don't like this at all.
Here we go.
Oh,
Kai Katana getting the victory.
Savoldi's in front of you.
Here we go. Kai Katana with a great turnaround here. What a great turn of events. And there we go. Number one for Wrestling on Fire. Number one. That's one. That's one.
Did you engineer this?
What a great way to end the night with the victory by Wrestling on Fire.
BS.
I can't believe how great Kai Katana was.
Oh, come on. Did you engineer that? Who's that masked man that came in?
All I saw was him reverse the move, and then he wound up on top. I didn't see anything, Joey G.
Baloney. There's no way to end the match, and you know it.
I don't know what you're talking about. I know what I saw. I know what I saw.
You know what you saw, huh?
Oh, you're really proud of him. Who was that masked man that came out and hit him with, I don't know if it was an iron pipe, crowbar, or whatever it was?
All right, listen. I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
What's that?
I'm going to play the part of mediator now. All right? I didn't tell you.